Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to fix Jeep Wrangler window, easy method. Start by removing the door panel carefully and keeping clips organized. Inspect the regulator and motor for wear or broken components. Test the switch with a multimeter and trace power to the motor. Replace faulty parts or tighten loose connections, then reassemble the door panel and test the window operation before finalizing the fit and trim. Begin by lowering the window and removing visible screws, then use a trim tool to release the panel clips gently. Peel back the vapor barrier and locate the regulator mounting bolts and glass clamps. Support the glass while removing bolts, then unbolt the regulator and motor assembly. Install the new regulator or motor, reconnect wiring, and test the window operation before reattaching the vapor barrier and door panel carefully to finish. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more easy car repairs. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum makes post-repair cleanup effortless with voice control and smart mapping, so you can focus on tools, not dust. On another note, it is perfect for garages and workshops where debris collects. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. If the window motor hums but the glass stays put, inspect the regulator teeth and cables for stripping or slack. Test fuses and the switch for continuity to rule out electrical faults before replacing mechanical parts. Clean and lubricate the window tracks and rollers with silicone spray for smoother operation and reduced strain on the motor. Recheck alignment after installation to ensure the glass seals correctly and operates without binding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.